Hello, everyone. I just wanted to give a quick rundown on what an enrollment or decomposition tree is. It's a new visual feature we're utilizing in our fall 2023 Census Storyboard. If you click on Enrollment Tree, and we go over here and we check this out, you'll see it's basically kind of a pathway graph that all begins with starting with the total count of students. And so it decomposes that down into different fields or different ways we can sort our students out here by either campus location, admit type, student type, primary degree, time status, or housing. So I'm going to get rid of admit type and just to show what happens when you do one of these. You can leave them all up here, or you can delete them and put them in any order you want. If you X these out, they're not gone. They'll show up here you'll notice a plus sign will appear at the end of each one of these options or one of these fields, um, and you can add back in by clicking plus the field or the category that you're interested in breaking your count of students out in. So I'm going to leave admit type out for now, um, and we'll just play with this. So you don't have to X anything out. You can leave it in the order that it is in, but you can kind of explore the data by starting out with count of students at 8039. And when you click on one of these, it'll break out campus location first. So it'll do it in the order that you see these fields listed up at the top, right around here. And so, like, say I'm interested in looking at students on the Macon or the Cochran campus. Let's use that one, who are freshmen. And then let's look at the bachelor's degree seekers who are full time, and then we can see roughly the breakout of residential versus commuter. But if you change this up, we can instantly keep everything the same, but look at the Macon campus, online, etc. So this is just a fun visual to use to explore and break out the data in different ways. It's just interactive. So have fun exploring with it.